If you're building a WordPress site or already have one, you've probably asked yourself, what kind of hosting should I choose? Shared hosting, VPS, cloud, or something called WordPress hosting? Today, we're diving deep into why choose WordPress hosting over other types of hosting. So, WordPress hosting is a type of web hosting that's specifically optimized for WordPress websites. That means that the server environment, software stack, and support team are all tailored to WordPress unique needs. It's like choosing a gaming PC for gaming or camera built for vlogging. Sure, you can use generic tools, but why not use something built for the job? Let's talk speed. WordPress hosting uses server side caching, faster PHP versions, and content delivery networks to make your site load lightning fast. Say you're running an online store. A slow site means lost sales. With WordPress hosting, your pages load faster, your checkout is smoother, and your visitors stay longer. Security is another big win. WordPress hosting often includes firewalls, malware scanning, brute force protection, and automatic updates, all tailored to WordPress vulnerabilities. And if something goes wrong, you're not stuck with generic tech support. You got WordPress experts who know how to fix plugin conflicts, theme issues, and database errors. WordPress hosting often includes features that make your life easier, like one click staging environments, daily backups, and automatic plugin updates. Want to test a new layout or plugin? Use Staging Site. Want peace of mind? Your site's back up daily. And want to focus on content? Not tech, let the host handle updates. So, who is it for? Bloggers, small business, online stores, agencies, anyone using WordPress who wants a hassle free experience. If you're running a WordPress site and want it to be fast, secure, and easy to manage, WordPress hosting is a no brainer. Ready to upgrade your hosting game? Check out WordPress hosting plans from trusted providers and give your site the foundation it deserves.